everyone's wondering, what is going on with interest rates? When are they coming down? And what are the Feds going to say this week? I'm Garrett Stewart, and I'm here with Jeremiah Eck for this month's mid-month mortgage update. Welcome back, everybody. Thanks so much for joining us. Thank you, Jeremiah, for coming back again as well.
Of course.
And we're here just talking about, this is going to be the topic of the year, of course. So what's going on with the interest rates? I was just looking at the inflation report and wasn't as good as we were hoping for.
Yeah, no, the PPI report came out higher than expected, and that had the markets kind of in a tizzy, and interest rates did go up just a little bit because of it. So the Fed is battling inflation pretty hard.
Okay, so it's not gone yet.
Not gone yet. Nope.
It's going out kicking and screaming.
It is.
Okay, so with that, the Feds are meeting this week. What do you think is going to happen? What are we anticipating there?
Well, we'll see. They meet on the 20th, which is Wednesday, and we'll just see how it goes. There's a lot of speculation that they think that the Feds are just going to say that inflation is still not under control and we need to keep rates higher, which will probably push interest rates higher. But if they say they're going to, let it go and maybe just see how it goes until their next meeting, then the markets will probably just kind of even out. So we'll just have to see. But We'll see on Wednesday.
Yeah, it'll give us a little bit of direction.
Yeah.
Hopefully that won't affect our rates too crazy.
Hopefully not. Yeah. If the Fed lowers rates too soon, then inflation could go back up again, and then we'd be like in a worse situation. But if they lower it, too late, then we'll be in a worse recession than we need to be.
Got it. And I'm curious, actually, and this is slightly off topic, but I'm curious just with. Wouldn't you think that with interest rates staying up and keeping people from selling their house, isn't that kind of in turn driving up inflation as well because the prices are going up because our inventory's so low?
Yeah, in a way it is.
Right? Like, it's like kind of sometimes almost backwards thinking. I'm like, okay, can't we figure out a way to do that? But it'll be interesting, and I saw these things of potential things through Congress to potentially help with that as well.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes with Biden's bills to see if they get passed.
Yeah. So we'll be following up on that. It's kind of early stages right now. So, but continuing on, I know last we talked, we were kind of thinking maybe June for interest rate cuts. Mm-hmm. How's that looking now?
Well, now there's about 50% chance of a rate cut according to the market economists that we'll see in June.
Okay.
But they still now say for sure by July. So, we're just kind of kicking the can down the road at this point,
Right.
Just waiting for it to be the right time. But at some point, interest rates will come down. It just... who knows if it'll be at the middle of this year, the end of this year, beginning of next year.
So
just hang tight.
I say at the end of it, don't let that hold you back from buying. If you're thinking, interest rates are going to drop in June, don't wait till June. Buy now, and then you can always refinance later if rates go down. It's not always a for sure thing. So if you need to make a move, don't wait for interest rates.
Yeah, because you could end up paying more for your home. Than you would now. So It is a good strategy to get in while the interest rates are higher before prices continue to go up month over month.
Yeah. And, people are out there buying. I hosted an open house this Saturday, and it was crazy busy, actually. There was both Tucker and I were there, and we were just it was a revolving door. It was a little overwhelming. So buyers are out there. So if you're a buyer, you better beat them out there too. So, good information. We're going to keep following up on that and got some interesting topics for coming up in the next few months, I think. So, stay tuned. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please be sure to hit it. And hit that like button as well, because that keeps us doing this video and it helps share out to the YouTube algorithm. So, we'll give you 5 seconds to hit it. And for those that need to reach Jeremiah, we'll put his information down here and my information as well for your help here in Reno and Northern Nevada for all of your home buying needs or selling. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
All right, everyone. We'll see you next time.
See you then.